up on the time, what's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk, I couldn't get it, they do my class. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. Gone. Do well long for my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast in stone. But do well long for our Sunday. But why the titi mo de sham you? I do well long to come yo. Kale ma shon, kale she kale ma yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blessed tonight because you love me. Yeah, they can do me.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe, faith to receive. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me something. Make me a person. Make me a person. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe. Faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. This may come, as some surprise, but I miss you. I can see through all of your lies, but still I miss you. It takes a lot, but it doesn't feel like mine. Kisses on mine, they're not mine. Is it a crime? Is it a crime that I still want you? I want you to want me too. Is it a crime? Is it a crime that I still want you? I want you to want me too.
Hi, what's up, everyone? Hope you all are having a great day, like I am. Today has been a day where we have to wait because of the FOMC. So we've seen little or no opportunities to get into the market. It's not advisable. It's not the best market conditions right now. As you can see, we got the Nasdaq on a free fall, breaking supports, and just going all the way down. So we gotta wait for FOMC release. I just did this stream so we can all like watch the FOMC release together and get an idea of what the market is gonna do. But in terms of trade, let's not try to give ourselves so much pressure about whether we're gonna get a trade or not because it's already like it's afternoon session in New York, so definitely there's going to be some volatility, but we got to be extremely careful. We can't take on the usual sizes of trades that we normally take in terms of position, so we got to be careful. But I'm really positive that tomorrow is going to be like all from tomorrow we're going to start having like a better price action, especially going into next week. So yeah, September has been horrendous. Not as bad as August, but it's been a little bit choppy, and also struggling with the fact that it's all-time high. I'm sure a lot of people have tried to call the top and being taken out. So it's not the time to be predictive. It's you have to be reactionary um, and basically just stay out of the market for now because it's not conducive at all. So, um, yeah, we have FOMC in 1 hour's time by 7 p.m. and Fed Chair Powell is going to be speaking. The Fed's fund rate is going to be released, but the focus really is on the speech. On the speech. So we're going to be focused on that. I'm not sure the Fed funds rate is really going to move the needle until there's a speech being done. So in times like this, you tend to like go back historically and kind of like understand how the FOMC has played a crucial role, and the times where there's been rate cuts in the past. And I think the last significant rate cut we had was during COVID. And if I remember vividly, when that happened, I haven't started trading then, but I read some data and I realized that when the rate cut happened, there was a free fall on Nasdaq initially, and it did struggle to get back up. Another one was in 2009, same thing, but the reason for the rate cut this time is different. It's because they're trying to save the economy. They feel like they need to fix some things so that the economy can become positive again. So um, it's I feel like it's going to affect Nasdaq temporarily. So a second, guys. Yeah, sorry, I lost my train of thought there. I was talking to my brother. So um, it's I've forgotten what I was saying, but if it comes back to me, I'll pick up again. But essentially, what we're looking for right now is to see. Yeah, I was talking about the impact it might have on Nasdaq. So temporarily, we're going to see the shortfall, a drip in prices. Um, but eventually, I feel like it's if it's going to affect the dollar in a sense that the dollar falls even steeper than it is right now, that is going that some of that sell-off is going to impact the Nasdaq later on, and that's going to like improve the Nasdaq's position, and we could see some bullish momentum just shortly after a downtrend. So we need to time the markets. We need to mark out our levels and just watch and see what price does. But I'm looking at some bullish reversal. Um, on gold, I think we're still gonna hit some all-time high. I'm holding a position on gold right now. Um, it's I've closed like 80% of it because it's FOMC. I don't want to wait around and uh, all my profit is just rolled back into the market. So I already took out, as you can see, I already took out 80%, and um, but I think we're gonna have like a push when the FOMC news starts happening. So let's see. But normally, what I've noticed as well during FOMC is that it tends to take out both sides of liquidity. So it takes out both the buyers and sellers. Then eventually, after some time, it picks a market direction. So that's why we have to wait and wait and wait. So it's not enough to just jump in, and you can't just jump in the market right now. So if you're holding a position right now, I would advise that you just close it because um, that's not going to fly. Okay, so you might get taken out. Like this position is far, very, very far away from my. It's very far away from my take profits, and it's far away from my entry as well. So I can just. I've taken away 80%. I can just chill and see what happens. You see. So yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in wherever you're watching from. This is brought to you by Edge FX and Adimora Chika. So I'm happy to have you guys here. I just started streaming. I really don't know much about streaming, but I'm really, really getting a hang of it, and I'm enjoying it. And just to show support to the kid, you can leave a like, you can subscribe, or you can leave a comment. Just say hi, and you can also turn on post notifications. It really would mean a lot to me. It helps the algorithm. It helps push the video out there. It helps the algorithm push the video out there so more people can see what we're doing here. So um, thank you guys yet again for joining. It's gonna be an amazing day. All we have to do is just chill, wait, and let's see what the market gives. So let's chill. So I'll also see if I'll try if I can get I'll try to see if I can get what do they call it, a stream. Like when the speech starts, I'll try to see if I can put up a screen, the screen here, so that we can all watch it together. So I'll also see if I'll try if I can get.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. All in the way that I stand, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. I need you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To warm the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, okay, it's okay. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, say, and let me love you. Oh, baby, let me love you. Oh, baby. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say it's okay. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, say, and
mojo. I bounce back, no popo. Unhappy, no homo. New brands, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia. You could be the butler, shine my cutler. Shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler. Okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream. I call it a sex scene. The bag is a nice tease. I tried to escape. My life is an X-ray. I'm sorry, a sex tape. You only get one take. Quiet on the set, please. Everyone. Okay, roll it. Anxiety. 3, 2, 1. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety, take it off of me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. No limits, no borders. What's in that new world order? Marco, hold up. Negro come from Popo. Blue light in that boho. I just feel like this tightness in my chest, like an elephant is standing on me. I just relax and let it be. Anxiety.
So I also want to add that if you're going to trade FOMC today, it's very very important that you already know what you're looking for. You already know exactly the framework that you're looking to execute on. You're not just reacting to the release. That reaction is not a disciplined way to trade. That's not where you want to be today. You if you do not have a framework that you could trade the FOMC with, then it's better off you just staying out and waiting for tomorrow for a cleaner price action for you to take advantage of. But if you're not experienced, if you've never traded FOMC, then you should just stay out. Okay? You should just stay out.
Struggling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Struggling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's wrong. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. I'm a vibe out today. Hey, I'm a vibe out today. Away, I'm a vibe out today. Oh, hey, I'm a vibe out today. Away. If I continue, my eyes might break.
I really love small beginnings. I just started streaming 4 days ago, and actually I've been so happy doing it because it's giving me something else to do out that's related to trading, but outside the charts, and it's kept me busy. Yeah, it keeps my mind active. I've been at this desk all day, just working on other things, and also like trying to figure out how I can make a better impact in the trading community and how I can refine what I'm doing right now. So it's a higher purpose, in my opinion. And like right now, it's basically as if I'm speaking to myself because I think there's only like one viewer, but like this is just for future purposes. Whenever I go back to watch this, in the future after being consistent, that I would look at this and be very happy that I made this choice. I took this leap of faith. I'm not really someone who likes putting themselves out there. I've never ever had like a stream. I think I've only had like an interview, which was years ago, and I've never really been someone who likes putting themselves out there. So this is a great experience, to be honest. It's a great experience. So we have Dr. Holmes joining. Welcome, bro. It seems like you're on mute. Hello, you there? Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I'm in a bit of a compromise, so yeah, my camera might not be on for a bit. So.
Sure, no problem, no problem. I was just telling them how it's so funny that like we're on this stream now and it seems like we only have one or two viewers, but it's good that we have all these documented videos so that in the future when we have like a grown community by God's grace, we could always look back at this and be like, yo, we used to have a time where it was just one.
Yeah, where it's just one viewer, or
viewer.
just two viewers.
Yeah, so it's great. I'm really enjoying this. It's giving me a higher purpose than just sitting on the charts. While I'm sitting on the charts, I can be working on other things, and it's a great experience, to be honest. And it also keeps me accountable. It keeps us accountable, so that's a positive.
Yeah.
Welcome, bro. How's your day been?
Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah. I know you've been off, but
I've been
I
here.
battled with the New York session, yeah.
Yeah, I've been
trying to trade. Yeah, trying to trade gold. It was crazy, but yeah.
Yeah, I actually took a long on gold, but I've already closed like 80%.
The New York session.
Okay.
But right now I took a shot.
Oh, I've already
closed at 40 pips here.
I think I'm just gonna close the position I'm holding prior to this FOMC because anyway I've already
booked. Prior to this FOMC, right? Yeah. So I took a shot from that place. The price bent over.
Yeah.
There you had a reversal there.
Okay. That's just right here.
Yeah, right there.
Nice. That's great. Then the news might take out both sides of liquidity. We just never know. But I was narrating initially that if you don't have a framework on what to trade when the FOMC speech starts, that you should just stay out. Like if you've not like had a framework of okay, if price does this and does that, I'm going to take a position. You're just basically guessing, and that's a very dangerous place to be in.
That's gambling also.
Yeah, that's gambling. Yeah. So just mark your key levels and wait. Like I've already marked these key levels. This is a daily fair value gap. This is a weekly fair value gap. So these are like two very major liquidity zones that I'm expecting price to come to. Price
And you
already.
just expect price to come towards it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You just wait for price basically.
Yeah.
Rather than chase price around.
Yeah. But if it doesn't come where we are expecting it, we just let it do what it wants to do. I'm not going to force anything today. It's already afternoon session and the day is like almost gone. Right here in Nigeria, it's 6 p.m. So it's almost night time. But we're going to stay here throughout the stream and see how the market reacts. So it's going to be chilled.
All right.
If I was silent, I'll go insane. If I was just lost, then my life would be lost. So give me a name, give me something to react. Me up and down. I'm a vibe out to get. Hey, I'm a vibe out to get. I'm a vibe out to get. Away. I'm a vibe out to get. Hey, I'm a vibe out to get. That's the vibe. Love and desire. Love and desire.
The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a finance home, that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me, leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pot that ass to the morning come. You want shots for the girls, damn, order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Hey.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Anthony? be bad boy for girls say I the mellow. Ah, baby, I the food. Baby, take it slow. Baby, go down low. Nobody has to know. Yeah, I know I play around, my man on this, you let you go. Oh, baby, baby, so mommy. You know, say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they got too much wine, they got too much wine. I see they be, I see shy, they enter. Oh, yeah, baby, go love me. But that you yourself, do what I be. Love is in the air, baby, breathe. The way you move is so funny, now we banana. Catch me up, got me hands up, madam. Beautiful way, best in all the fish, nada. Make a hands up, I make a busy, they balance. As I get opportunity, why I know go mountain. Actually, I go ready, no people, much in my hand for your matter. They see girls, say, baba, you bad. Okay, your waist, put me for below, push it below. I did this, let me know, baby, now me draw your gaze, they put below. After you, now you be phone pop. Oh, baby, show up, get all the girls jealous, but you are working, watching my baby, color. Did you like a mama, can't bring on it, but you don't want for me, oh. Baby, baby, to mommy. You know, say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they got too much wine, they got too much wine. I see they be, I see shadow they enter. Oh, yeah, baby, follow me. But that's yourself, do what I be. Love is in the air, baby, breathe.
We have about 30 minutes before it ends. I'll try to pull up the stream so we can watch it. that's quite the push. Quite the push. So let's see how this 4 hour closes.
Kush is on.
20 minutes, so just in time for everyone. So you see how the 4 hour, the next 4 hour will start printing during the FOMC release. So you see how that 4 hours opens up. Hello.
If I see me, I lose on you. Manage to stick on my money and go. Not the follow the girls, not fast, not take my heart go. If I see me, I cheat on you. Manage to stick on my money and go. For I care, feeling me, I'm a daddy for my dad. Feeling me, I'm a daddy for the sunset shines in the morning. For I care, feeling me, I'm a daddy for my dad. Feeling me, I'm a daddy for the sunset shines in the morning. For I care.
Kush is on fire.
Quite the push from Nasdaq, but don't get tempted, guys. It's quite the push. That's quite the push. So we have about 20 minutes now for reference.
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings ever been this faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a mother on my basic feelings. 1 minute I'm cold and then the next I'm slipping on. When somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind, she's still on my mind. Do we build it up, just to let it wash away. Tell me, did I lace you up, just to watch you run away? Please tell me, who's getting on my love? Who's getting on my love? Tell me, who's getting on my love?
actually another hour and a half later.
I was
Yeah.
lying when I said it feelings control. It took some time to realize all the different people. And love is blind. I see love is blind. Can we build it up? Build it up. Just to let it wash away. And tell me that I wish you up. Wish you up. Just to watch you run away. Please tell me. I don't like thinking about it. I swear that it's wearing me down. Tell me who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Love, 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 love. Help me, help me, love, love, love. Help me, love, 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 love. Help me, who's getting love, love, love.
Hey, I thought it was all over.
What's up, Yoshi? You know, it's been a little minute since you and I have had a chat. Has it really? Probably since, like, your last EP, All the Pictures of Love. Yeah. I've been getting some calls. People are a little bit worried about you. And I know that I was kind of that outlet for you, so why don't you just tell me what's been going on?
Remember old dude in 2019, nice clean nigga did me dirtier than laundry. Took a scroll through his IG just to get a DM from. I was so confused, what should know she do? She didn't know about me and I didn't know about Sue. All the songs and then I went and got signed, now it's 2021.
Okay, I just feel like this is the perfect opportunity for us to just take a second and kind of unpack what's happened to you. You know, this guy cheated on you and...
Fuck you. Had to look at this Bible record that I'm making so much money, I'm all over the net. I'm moving so fast, no time to process it. No, I'm not in the game, but I'm always on set. Wristwatch, drip drop, label with the TikToks. Now I'm making TikTok music, what the fuck? I need a cleanse, need a detox, but we ain't got time to stop. The church needs it. I don't think talk about it. I mean, fuck, I like pills, I like drugs, I like kicking money, I like strippers, I like to fuck, I like day drinking and day parties in Hollywood. I like doing Hollywood shit, Nordic Hollywood. What can I say? The shit works, it feels good, and my self-worth at an all-time low. And just when it couldn't get worse, my ex crashed my place and destroyed all I own. Oopsie, made a oopsie, $100,000 oops made me loopy. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Don't wanna have to turn a nigga guts into soup bean.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, Dochi, we don't want to revert back to our old ways, so we're gonna try a breathing exercise, okay? When I breathe, you breathe, alright? Let's go.
hot. If this world was mine, I'd tell them they grab it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take his dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world confused how it go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Just a few minutes to defend Ford's rate release.
Hi, I'm Ian, and I work for the Federal Reserve, the central bank of the United States. The Federal Reserve System consists of three main entities that perform key functions that serve the public and promote the health of our economy and the stability of our financial system. These key entities are the Federal Reserve Board of Governors, 12 Federal Reserve banks operating around our nation, and the Federal Open Market Committee. Based in Washington, D.C., the Board of Governors is the governing body of the Federal Reserve System. It's an agency of the federal government that reports to and is directly accountable to Congress. The board consists of 7 members, or governors, who are nominated by the President of the United States and confirmed by the Senate. Governors are appointed for 14-year terms. The Board of Governors oversees and sets policy direction for the system, including 12 Federal Reserve banks located around the country, which take the pulse of the nation's economic health from a regional perspective.
Someone just
The 12
injected
reserve banks
nitro into the
represent different
market.
geographic regions or districts,
Good.
and were set
Good,
up
that's
based on
taking me
regional
out on
economic
breaking.
considerations. Although supervised by the Federal Reserve Board, the reserve banks operate independently
Got
in
that.
many respects. The
Got
reserve
that.
banks carry out a number of
See?
core system functions, such
why
as
you stay
supervising
out.
and examining commercial banks and other financial
why you stay
institutions,
out.
enforcing compliance with federal consumer protection and fair lending laws, while
God
promoting
damn.
local community development
What is-
and lending to depository institutions
What a
to
spike.
ensure crucial liquidity in the financial system. They and the board also play a key role in another primary Fed function, fostering the safety and efficiency of our nation's payment systems, including distributing currency and coin to banks, operating electronic payment systems, and clearing our checks. In addition, the reserve banks act as the government's bank, providing services such as maintaining the Treasury Department's transaction account and issuing and redeeming U.S. government securities. They also act as a bank for banks by providing key financial services to banks, thrifts, and credit unions. The reserve banks also provide a wealth of information on conditions across the nation, information that is vital to formulating a national monetary policy that helps maintain a healthy U.S. economy and a stable financial system. The board and the reserve banks together help ensure that consumer and community voices are heard at the central bank through consumer-focused outreach, research, and analysis. This helps keep the Federal Reserve's actions, policies, and decision-making attuned to what's going on in American households, communities, and businesses, which are the foundation of our economy. The third key Fed entity is the Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, which brings together representatives from the board and the reserve banks to consider the state of the U.S. economy and set a course for our monetary policy in a manner that seeks to promote an economy that works for all Americans. The 12-member FOMC establishes an appropriate position or stance for monetary policy to help move the economy towards two essential mandates set for the Fed by Congress, promoting maximum employment and price stability. This occurs mainly through the FOMC's influence on interest rates and credit conditions, which can significantly impact financial conditions, including economic productivity and even spending and investment decisions by households, communities, and businesses. Working together, these three key Fed entities and the unique Federal Reserve System structure established by Congress more than a century ago help promote conditions resulting in a strong, healthy, and sustainable economy. For more information on how the Fed functions, visit federalreserve.gov and click on About the Fed.
Wow. This, I'm in shock. Yeah, no doubt. Let's see if this fair value gap will hold when Powell starts speaking. 'Cause this is just preliminary. Like, don't get tempted. Like, this is it. Like, it's still gonna be some speech. Yeah, it's really swept the liquidity and just turned around. What an incredible push. Wow. Wow. I'm lost for words. I'm truly lost for words. It seems this 4 hour candle, this 4 hour fair value gap is really holding up price. So if what's the game plan is that if Fed, if Chair Powell, Fed Chair Powell, Jerome Powell starts speaking, and we see like a proper break of structure, you know, I think this could hold price to go up, you know, break that all-time high here, which is right here. Yeah. So I wouldn't really tout, but you know, gold is like, gold is on fire right now. Gold is on fire right now, and Nasdaq is on a free fall. Like I think we're about to see some heavy dumps on Nasdaq right now, while gold is like just pumping. Wow, it's incredible. So let's see what the rate cuts, the Fed rate cut is. Okay, that's it right there. Not much. This is where you like be patient and don't give back your profits to the market. Don't you dare. Yeah, and Nasdaq is back to its range now. So the 4 hour fair value gap is not holding. I'm expecting with this reversal now. Let's see what happens when Fed comes. It's incredible. We're witnessing history, guys. This today sets the tone for the rest of the year. How the rest of the year is going to be economically. So it's really an important day. I think one of the most important days economically in the US. So you can see Nasdaq runs on now German 40 is buying. It was still stuck in the range. So, yeah, Nasdaq is dumping now. So you see how it like induced the buyers. Now it's like on a free fall. Gold as well, it's coming back down. Yeah. That's why it's very important for you to exit every single trade you're on before FOMC. You know, because yeah, this is what happens. This is exactly what happens. So now we cannot do anything. We're definitely gambling. We have to wait. Cause I get money from my family. Means we are headed down for the weekly fair value gap, so that's the next point of that's the next key level. So let's see how it reacts there. It's taking out a lot of daily lows now. Tuesday, Monday, it's not taking Monday yet, so yeah, it should take out this Monday, and let's see how far it goes. FOMC historically it's like just keeps dumping. I think gold is on its way that back down as well. Probably trying to feel some of that week. So if you listened in the beginning, I said that the price is definitely going to take out both sides of liquidity, and we've seen that with Nasdaq now. I think we're seeing that with gold now. Gold has like spiked on both sides of liquidity, but it hasn't taken out all-time high. So it's now like stuck in the range where it started initially. So that spike it's brought us back to ground zero. So yeah, this is quite interesting to watch, to witness, and I'm glad it's being documented for future references. As you can see here, price has tapped into this weekly fair value gap, and we can see a strong reaction. But yeah, you're not going to take any trade until we start hearing Powell speak. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So in about 13 minutes, we should have Jerome Powell speaking. Okay, I think I was on mute, so let me start again. Number one, Fed voted 11:1 to cut interest rates. That is as predicted. It was first rate cut since 2024. Trump picked Stephen Miran, voted for a 50 BPS cut. The new dot plot signaled two more cuts before the end of 2025 in October and in December. The Fed statement said downside risks to employment have risen, obviously. So, yeah. Let's see what Jerome Powell will say in 5 minutes' time. Okay. The thing today is that it's the fundamentals are going to trump the technicals, so you can't really rely on your technical analysis, but it's like it guides you on key levels where you should be expecting some movements. But ultimately, the fundamentals will trump the technicals today. So a lot of people will be expecting that, feeling like they should get in, but for me, I don't think I'm getting into a position this night. I have laid out my opportunities for tomorrow. So, but yeah, I'm seeing some very good reactions here. If this could hold, so it's really looking good. It's really looking good. Let's go up. Incredible, incredible.